Hello everyone, this is Thinky Being and we're your friends. And today we are going to be talking about how to make money from home. How to make money from home. Now, there are so many ways to make money from home. There are so many ways. But all requires consistency. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is through crypto trade. Crypto trade, you can trade cryptocurrency, or you can even do forex trade. You can do forex trade prediction from binary option. Those are options on how to make money from home. You don't need to go anywhere. With your cell phone, with your laptops, with your desktops, you can start making money by just registering. Then you start trading, or you start predicting, then you can start making money. And also you can also start doing online marketing, and also you can still do some write-ups, posting of write-ups, blogging. You can start copyrights. That's another thing. You can do copyrights, you can do blogging. There are some site that gives you free money anytime you post on them, anytime people like what you post, anytime people comment on them, you get paid for it. Like Steam it, you get paid in cryptocurrency, the Steam backed dollar SPD, and the Steam, and sometimes the Steam power, depending on what you really fixing to be paid in. So that's one of the sites that can really pay you, but they pay in crypto. And you can also get into copywriting, where people will pay you for sending mails, for writing posts, and for blogging for them. So there are so many ways you can really get to make money from home, with your phone, with your laptop, doing easy tasks. Choose one that is comfortable with you, and you'll be glad you did. This is Thinky BM and your friends. Do have a nice day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment below.